Hey Baddie and Business family, my name is Isabella. I am the owner of 2 six-figure earning online businesses, and today I'm going to be giving you 5 ideas of what to sell and also showing you how to find products to sell as well. Not only am I going to be showing you how to get the ideas of products to sell, but I'm also going to be showing you exactly how you can source these products as well. So you guys already know people charge thousands of dollars for information just like this. As I am committed to 100% free education, all I ask in return is that you hit that subscribe button and like this video so we can get this across the YouTube algorithm and help as many people out as possible. Finding products to sell is definitely one of the hardest challenges. Here's a few things I want you to keep in mind as you're looking through products to sell. The first thing is to look for a product that can entertain or solve a problem. Number 2, go with your personal passion. If you are someone that you like to cook, then you should sell a cooking product. If you are into fitness, then you should sell a fitness product. You want to be able to promote a product that you truly actually would use yourself. You want to sell something online that you know yourself, that you will be able to market. I always say it's 25% the product, 75% how you market it. And don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to be showing you some more marketing techniques that you can use on your online business journey. Number 3, browse what's trending and capitalize on trends early. So I personally love to look through this hashtag. It's called TikTok Made Me Buy It. You can literally just search this hashtag and a bunch of products will come up with people sharing what they bought online because of TikTok. So let me show you how you can actually source these products. So if you are someone that is drop shipping, you would use AliExpress. Although if you are someone that you're wanting to start an inventory-based e-commerce store, you would use Alibaba. For those that are drop shipping, I just wanted to include a screenshot of all of these different alternatives to AliExpress as well that you guys can check out. So make sure if you haven't already, like this video to save this video so you can come back later and check out these websites as well if you are drop shipping. So I personally do like AliExpress to search for products, and whenever I'm on the AliExpress website, I always look for this tab. It's called Top Rankings, and don't worry if this does not come up for you automatically. You can just Google AliExpress Top Rankings and this page will actually pull up through Google. So once you're on this page, you'll have access to so many different products that are trending currently, and a lot of dropshippers do use AliExpress, so you'll get to see what's really being dropshipped right now. Now, I do have more videos on my YouTube channel showing you how to find products to sell, so definitely go check those videos out as well if you want to learn more about how to find products to sell. Now I'm going to be getting into the part what you guys want to see, which is the 5 products that I picked out for you guys to start selling in 2023. So I am constantly looking for products to sell myself, but obviously I can't sell everything, so I always pick some and I set aside for you guys because I'm always thinking about you guys. You guys are like my family. That's why I make these videos, because I pick out these products, and honestly these are all great products that you can sell. So if you guys are new to my channel and you're just trying to figure out how you can start making money online and you want to sell something online, but you're not really sure what fulfillment type to go with, whether it's holding your own inventory or shipping yourself or starting off drop shipping, I do have a video comparing and contrasting more in depth, but drop shipping could be a better option for you if you are just starting out and you want to truly start with $0 and kind of just like how I describe it, like getting your feet wet with e-commerce, because you're not making any inventory commitments and it's almost like practice. So where if you do want to have your own actual store with actual inventory, you'll be a lot more confident to place that order for bulk order. So it really just depends on your individualized situation. But of course, if you have any questions, comment down below and I'll be responding to all of your questions and comments down. So let's get right into this tutorial. So the first product that I found for you guys today on AliExpress is this 7-in-1 computer keyboard cleaning brush kit. And it's actually a 7-in-1 laptop and cleaner set. So you can clean your headphones, your laptop, all your technology, you can basically clean with this one tool. So this is the kind of product that it solves a problem, and you can also make really good marketing videos with this product as well. Because like you could make your headphones really dirty and then like take the little stick and clean out the headphone, kind of like they did in this video. And by doing that, you're gonna draw so much attention. You could even put like gross stuff inside on purpose and make videos based on that. And if you haven't already, make sure you guys go and check out my dedicated free marketing course on my YouTube channel, because after watching that free course, you'll be able to really understand how you're going to market. And I grew both of my online stores with 100% organic marketing. So you guys can see you can get this product for around $3. You can also see that this product has so many good reviews as well. This product sells for a very affordable price, and there's lots of different suppliers. So definitely take the time to go through these suppliers and see which one is going to have the fastest shipment times, the best communication, and you will eventually find a supplier. So you can get this product for around $1 to $2, and you could probably sell this for around $20. So that's what the price point would be. So moving on, the next product that I found that I thought was very interesting was this product. It's a portable auto-rotating ceramic hair curler, and it's actually rechargeable. So this is something that you can take like anywhere with you. You don't have to plug it in. Like, I'm a girl, obviously I know how it is to have to bring my curler, and this solves a problem. And it also is really interesting. It comes in different colors, and it's only $8.66. So what I did was I actually did a Google search of this product, and I found that this site is actually selling it for $80, and usually it's $200. So like, imagine if you just sold it for $50, that's a huge profit margin. So I saw really cool marketing videos for other similar products of competing brands that sell this, and you can make a lot of different videos with this. I mean, obviously, like, you would have to have longer hair to make your own marketing videos, but like I always say in all my other videos, no one is going to promote your product better than you can. So this would obviously be good for somebody that likes hair and likes to make like hair tutorials. But yeah, I saw a lot of interesting videos on this as well. So if you're dropshipping this product, you would put the product on your website kind of like they did, and you would, you know, put whatever price you want, and then the buyer would pay. So just say you had it on your website for $50. So the buyer would pay $50, and then you would come to this AliExpress listing, or you can link it and actually do like auto fulfillment if you wanted to. But then the supplier would send this $8.66 item to that buyer, and then you would keep the profits. So, and if you're new to my YouTube channel, I have an entire free dropshipping course on my YouTube channel showing you how to start with $0. So you can get your dropshipping store up and running in less than 20 minutes. So the next product that I have on my list for today is this 3D Sandscape moving sand art glass modern home decoration. I thought this was very interesting because this is the kind of product, does it solve a problem? No, but you can make some really cool marketing content on it, and it's something that looks so artistic. So I wanted to see, like, because this is a pretty expensive product for AliExpress, but I wanted to see how much this would cost. You know, I just did a simple Google search, so I found this. So this product is being sold on this website for $100. So a very similar product. I don't know if they're drop shipping or not. I'm just showing you guys different examples. I'm just literally just showing you guys what I find on my searches through Google. So I saw that they were selling this for $100. They have over 800 reviews of this product too, and that's a big come up. So that's, you know, you're paying $20, literally be an $80 profit right there if you drop ship this product and you sold it for $100.
So the next product that I have on our list today is the silicone air fryer liners. This product solves a problem.
So for the air fryer product, if I were you and I was selling this product, I would put the weirdest food I could find. So like, I would make a TikTok for this product that you're selling. Obviously you would put the link in your bio. You can put the link in your bio actually as a business account, by the way, just a tip for you guys on TikTok. And I would find the weirdest, grossest food as possible and put them in this air fryer in these liners to promote your liners. And people will literally comment like so many different things. They'll share them. So it's almost like you're making like comical videos with the food and like putting weird food stuff and everything. And that is personally how I would get orders with this product, because that's going to go viral and then you're going to convert those views to sales. And if you guys are unfamiliar, TikTok is like no other social media network out there. They literally will push your videos even if you don't have followers, as long as you are using the right techniques while you're posting your product videos. So of course, you guys already know I do have a video about that as well on my YouTube channel, showing you how I film, edit, and post all of my content that always goes viral every time. And I started with 0 followers, and I hope that video is super helpful. So this product is only $6, and I would price this product at $25. So you'd also make really good profit with this product. Unfortunately, you would have to have an air fryer. So if you don't have an air fryer, then I mean, that's a little harder, but that's why I try to show you guys different products. So hopefully if you are someone where you like cooking and you have an air fryer, this product will be perfect for you. Products like this that can grab people's attention, I really like me personally, I sell products that are more for entertainment rather than solving a problem, and I've been extremely successful with that. So me personally, I've been more successful with finding products that, you know, make people go wow, or like looks more aesthetic on TikTok. So I also found ones very similar kind of to this style, which I will put on the screen right now for you guys. A lot of these you could sell within the $100 range as long as you're marketing it right, and you could make really good profit on these products. And what I always do is when I find a product that I like, I always scroll down. I scroll all the way down to the bottom, and always at the bottom down here, they always show you suggestions of different similar products like in the same niche. So this is what I do almost every single time I'm searching for products, and I really do think that will help you on your product search as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure if you haven't already, hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can continue to make videos just like this. I hope this video not only shows you how you can find products to sell, but give you some unique ideas as well. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram at Baddie in Business for more business inspiration and updates. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.